Just put alcohol in the orange peel, and you will never have this problem again. To start our tip, we will use a container. It is important that it has a lid. The ideal is to use peels of an orange. The acidity contained in the shells is what makes this tip effective in removing odours. After I learned to do, I never again had problems with insects or bad odours in my house. Then I will add 150 milliliters of alcohol. In addition to acting as a disinfectant, also serves in the prevention against insects. I'm sure you have never used these items together. You will be impressed with the result. Next, I will add 50 milliliters of vinegar. It is crucial to ward off insects. Its strong smell works as a great repellent. Finally, we will add 100 milliliters of detergent, acting mainly in the removal of stains and fats. In all places that use the mixture, to facilitate the dilution of the products, I will complete the container with water. Now just cover. Shake a little so that all ingredients mix. And let our mixture rest for 3 hours. I doubt you've ever made a more efficient product than this before. As soon as time passes, I will transfer our mixture to a spray bottle. Ideal for easy application and storage. This tip has a simply amazing result. I'm sure you will be surprised. To avoid waste, we will also use a funnel. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Rebecca Jasmine. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once this is done, we can use our mixture to perform home hygiene. This is an extremely versatile product, repels insects, serves to clean any type of surface, and also ends up with a bad smell. And all this using only a few everyday ingredients, especially shells that would be thrown in the trash. You can also put on the entrance mat, so that everyone feels the good aroma of your home. I never again had to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold at the markets. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. The result is almost immediate. Just give a few sprays to end any bad smell in any environment. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. One to 3.